So here's a wall socket. It looks like this. It's for 220 volts. But there is a problem because of this little metal thing, which is the grounding. You cannot plug in anything that you want. This is already modified because not all of them have round side, left and right side. A little element here on the left side. Into that wall socket I could not insert this, which was totally round just like this one. So in that case I had to file down the two sides and then I could insert it. But now I still cannot insert this one there, because notice that little metal thing. Although this has a cut in it, that cut is not deep enough. So it is still making contact and it cannot be inserted. So neither upside down, the same thing, there is a cut but it's not exactly in the right place. So this cannot be used inside that one, although both of them are made for 220 volts AC. This is a little bit different. This has a metal connector there on the sides. Those are for grounding. That was not present on this one because this was totally round, but this doesn't have an opening there either, so it cannot be inserted here. As you see, that little metal shaft does not have anywhere to enter. The grounding is different. This one is on the side, that one is there almost at the center. So that cannot be used. Luckily these types, which are flatter, those can be inserted and that metal shaft goes exactly above it. So this can be inserted this way or that way. So the thinner ones, these can be used, and the two ones on the sides cannot be used. And another one, this luckily has that opening and this can be inserted exactly there. So the shaft is entering exactly into that one. The sides, which I was talking about in the beginning, are these. So if this was totally round here on the side, it could not enter into such a zone which has this little thing on the left side. But this one is good for both of them. It can enter there because there's nothing on the side. And it can enter because this can enter there also. So there are multiple versions of these 220 volt plugs and sockets. That's a laptop's connector that also has that grounding. Grounding is present here and there also. And this is the side I was talking about. When this was totally rounded on both sides, you could not insert it there because these two things were blocking it. And luckily this can be inserted here after I remove that one. This does not have a metal shaft for the grounding, but that's not a problem for this. This can be used in this also.